Hello, and welcome back to Whispering Nights. Tonight, we'll journey to a place of ultimate tranquility, a secret haven designed to wash away all your worries and guide you gently into the deepest sleep. As you settle into your comfortable space, feel the day's concerns begin to fade. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh, calm air. Hold it for a moment, and then release it slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension in your shoulders, your neck, your jaw. Breathe in peace, and breathe out anything that no longer serves you. Feel your body growing heavier, more relaxed with each breath. The path to serenity. Imagine yourself now standing at the edge of a lush, vibrant forest. The air is warm and soft, carrying the sweet, earthy scent of damp soil and blooming flora. Sunlight, filtered through the canopy of leaves, dapples the forest floor, creating a mosaic of light and shadow. You can hear the faint, distant sound of gently flowing water, a soothing murmur that calls you deeper into the woods. You begin to walk along a narrow, winding path. The ground beneath your feet is soft with moss and fallen leaves, cushioning each step. Tall, ancient trees with gnarled roots rise around you, their branches reaching towards the sky like welcoming arms. As you move, the sounds of the bustling world begin to recede, replaced by the symphony of the forest, the gentle rustle of leaves, the distant cooing of a hidden dove, and that persistent, inviting sound of water. With every step, you feel yourself unwinding. Your muscles soften, your breath deepens, and a profound sense of calm settles over your entire being. Discovering the hidden gateway. The path eventually leads you to a thick curtain of emerald green vines, cascading down from an unseen height. The sound of water is much clearer now, a gentle, rhythmic rush that beckons you closer. You push aside the vines and step through. You have entered a secret grotto, a breathtaking sanctuary hidden deep within the forest. The Hidden Waterfall of Serenity. Before you, the Hidden Waterfall of Serenity cascades down from a moss-covered cliff face. The water isn't rushing or roaring. Instead, it flows down in thin, silvery ribbons, creating a soft, continuous, almost whispering sound. It lands in a crystal-clear pool at the base, reflecting the soft, natural light that filters into the grotto. The air here is cool and moist, carrying the clean, fresh scent of pure water. Tiny, luminescent ferns cling to the rocks around the waterfall, glowing with a gentle inner light. The pool shimmers with a calming, ethereal beauty. You find a smooth, comfortable stone near the edge of the pool. As you sit down, you close your eyes, allowing the gentle sound of the waterfall to envelop you completely. The cleansing flow. Imagine now that each silvery ribbon of water carries with it the power to wash away any worries, any anxieties, any lingering stress from your day. As you listen to its gentle flow, visualize it dissolving all your concerns, carrying them away into the clear, tranquil pool. Feel the soothing presence of the waterfall. It is a source of boundless calm, a place where peace truly resides. Your mind becomes still, clear like the water in the pool. Your body feels light, yet deeply grounded, perfectly relaxed. The rhythmic sound of the falling water becomes a lullaby, guiding you deeper and deeper into a state of profound relaxation. Allow the gentle, continuous flow of the waterfall to lull you. It whispers peace into your soul, washes away all disturbances, and prepares you for the most restful sleep. Good night.